Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this mini ratchet screwdriver set, 11 in 1 piece here. Super handy for the handyman or woman in your life. Check this out. So here we go. We have all the little bits right here, and then we have the ratchet right there. This is really a super handy tool. Right on there it has the plus and minus, so if you wanted to screw this in, you would just switch it over to plus, and if you wanted to unscrew it, you switch to minus. And then this ratchet's right here. So all of these right here, we can fit right into this, right like this. So this is, I think I can put it right in there. I believe, just like that, then we can ratchet. So if we wanted to actually use this with sockets as well, I have a socket set right here, and this is a 1/4 inch. So I can just take my 1/4 inch things right here, any socket that I want, and I have a mini ratchet right there. That's super handy. Also, if you need to get into tight places with this, a lot of times I have had projects I'm trying to work on, and say the wall is right here, and you're trying to get in there with a screwdriver with a handle, and your hand's right there, you're hitting your knuckles on the wall and everything. It's just really inconvenient and difficult to do. This right here, you can put this right up next to the wall and then ratchet it. And it's just a lot of, you can get a lot of torque there. You just take your thumb underneath if you need a little bit of pressure, press that up in there, and it's gonna be able to get into the tight spots. It's a small little handle here, and super convenient. I really like all the different adapters it comes with. Flathead, Phillips head, star, and adapter for your sockets right there. So really handy tool here, my friends. Make a great gift for Father's Day. This is going in my toolbox. I'm definitely going to be using it. Thanks for watching this video. You have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. They don't need a demonstration, do they? Hey.